Hello, moviegoers. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Thor is back in an all-new movie. Marvel Studios' Thor, Love and Thunder.
And I am so excited and honored to be taking on the role.
Well, I don't know about taking on the role. I'll still be there playing Thor, original OG.
Well, I play the mighty Thor, so Thor, but mightier.
Yeah, but I'm still the Asgardian god who can wield the power of Stormbreaker, harness the power of thunder, and defend the galaxy from all and any threats.
I mean, same.
Make sure to see Thor.
And the mighty Thor.
In Thor, Love and Thunder, coming soon, only in cinemas.
There's a maniac who seeks to end us all. I'm putting together the greatest team ever.
Are you packed? Yes.
We've got Korg.
He's my best friend.
Yes! There's my ex-girlfriend Jane. Valkyrie.
This is the best day of my life!
Galaxy Guardians.
I am Groot! And giant goats!
Oh, look at those! They are wonderful.
Yes, they are. They also scream quite a lot.
You said this would be a relaxing holiday!
I said it was going to be like a relaxing holiday. Human handshake to the Asgardian shake into the snake that you cannot trust.
Really dragging this out.
And finish the classic Asgardian I won.